Hey everybody. I'm coming in real quick. I'm finna cook again. I'm cooking early this time. It's 11:37 in the morning. Don't know why I'm up. I just am. But I'm cooking dinner early today because I have to work tonight. So I'm gonna cook now so I can go ahead and eat before I'm saying I gotta take a nap and stuff because I don't get off till 7 in the morning. So I'm cooking smothered chicken and white rice and broccoli is what I'm cooking tonight. So I'm gonna show you everything that you're gonna need. Like I said, you don't have to cook it this way. This is just how I cook my food. So I'm just showing you like what I do and what I use on how I cook my food. Not saying you have to use it same thing. I'm just putting it out there. So do with I will. Okay, so I'll be right back and I'm gonna show you everything that you're gonna need. Okay. Okay, the seasonings you're gonna need is the lemon salt. Sorry, lemon salt, salt-free seasoning, garlic salt, which is my favorite seasoning I use on everything. Seasoning salt, and then this is just regular sea salt with like a grinder or whatever. And you're gonna need flour. And I already washed the chicken. Remember, always wash your meat. And I already seasoned the chicken, so you know what I'm saying, you already seen in other videos how I season my meat, so it's basically the same way. And you're gonna need white rice. Don't matter what kind of rice. You can use brown rice, instant rice, just whatever, just any kind of rice. I'm cheating. I'm not making the gravy from scratch. I'm doing it from the packaged gravy mix. So you need some gravy mix. If you want to do it from scratch, you can use whatever home like gravy mix recipe that you got. Some chicken broth and some cooking oil. So this is basically everything you're gonna need to create this meal. Oh, and the broccoli, and I'll just show you that later when I steam it. Okay, I'll be right back. See how I bread my chicken before, so I'm gonna just show you again. I'm not using the egg wash today because I'm just not using it today. So I already washed my chicken and I already seasoned it. So I just take it from the bowl or wherever I got the chicken and put it in the flour. Cover your chicken really good. I already got the oil on the stove and it's on low because you don't want your oil to like get like hot fast because your chicken will be like burnt on the outside and raw on the inside. And so shake off the extra flour, put it on the bowl, and basically the same thing. So I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, so once I get done, I'm waiting for the grease to heat up so I can go and put the chicken in there. I'm gonna push this in the sink, put this aside, wash my hands real quick. my grease is now ready to put my chicken in. And the way there's different ways you can test your grease. You can use a chopstick, you can use a little flour, you can put a little piece of bread in there. I just splash a little water in there, and if it does that, then, well, it's not really ready yet. Like if it just like, well, no, it's ready. If it does that, then your grease is ready. You can go ahead and add your chicken or whatever it is that you're cooking. So I'm just a second. Add my chicken into my grease. Remember, you never want to crowd your pan because your food won't cook evenly if you crowd the pan. If you put too much, like, whatever in there. So, I'm just adding. I'm only cooking 6 pieces, so I'm going to cook 4 and then I'm going to come back and cook the other 4. Cook the other 2, sorry. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna put in there right now. So I'll be back when when it's like basically done. I'm back. So the chicken is basically done because these legs are kind of small, so it really doesn't take that long for them to cook. As you can see, like they are all the way done. And like, for those who don't know how to fry chicken, you just gotta listen to the sound of the grease, and it'll let you know like when it's done. When you first put it in, it's gonna be like real loud, and then when it's done, like the grease kind of settles, and it's not as loud. Well, that's what I listen for. Other people got other methods on like when they chicken done, but that's just what I do. That's how I was taught by my grandma. So you're gonna take it out. In the meantime, you want to get a plate or a bowl. In my case, I'm using a strainer. Put some paper towel or napkins or something in there to absorb all the extra grease. And you want to take the chicken out. And then let it sit for a little bit so it can get all the extra grease off. Nothing worse than having soggy, greasy chicken. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit longer because I put them in later. But that's what my chicken looks like. It looks so pretty. It's all nice and brown and stuff. So I'm waiting for these 2 to get done. But while that's doing that, like I said, I don't measure anything. I'm gonna make my rice. And then I'm gonna steam my broccoli. Now I've told y'all about the steam basket that I use. I got it from Walmart. It's a couple dollars. And like it's real easy to use. Just put some water at the bottom of the pot, put it in, and then just let it do whatever it's gonna do. And let it cook. So I'm about to cook my broccoli. Well, cut my broccoli up. Wait for this chicken to get done. And before I do that, like I said, I'm cheating. I'm not making a gravy from scratch. I'm using this. And what I do, instead of using water, I use chicken broth. Chicken broth, a cup of this, and then put this in there and mix it up, and then you just put it on the stove or put it in the microwave and just keep stirring it and then thicken up, and then, yeah, I'll just show you. I'm just letting you know that's how I do it. But I put some diced onion, some chopped onion, in here with the chicken broth, so it's hydrating the onions again because they dehydrate onions. And I'm gonna put this in my gravy and everything. You'll see, it's gonna be the bomb. But I'm about to cut my broccoli up. Now I use fresh broccoli. It's not, you can use frozen broccoli, or you know what I'm saying, whatever, but I like the fresh broccoli, it tastes better. So you want to wash this first. Rip all these little leaves off because you can't eat these. These, you can't eat them. So just rip all them off. Okay. And that's your little stalk of broccoli. Looks like a little tree. And wash it off. Okay. Now, this end right here, you can't eat this. This right here is too hard. No matter how much you cook it, it's like hard. You can't eat that part. Take my chicken out. See? Look at that. Pretty, huh? Tell me I can't cook. Shit. Okay. The chicken is doing like settling and getting the grease off of it. So what you want to do is cut this bottom part off. Cut this off. And then what I do is I break like these little pieces off, because this middle piece, you can't eat this. You can't eat this part right here. Like this part right here, can't eat it. So I would just basically snap all the little part. So before the water, you can put it in there after the water boils, or you can wait till, you know what I'm saying, put it in, like put it in there before. I'll put it in there before because it really don't matter, because either way it's gonna boil. So you take it, and I hope they don't fall everywhere, please. Do not fall everywhere. Oh, one fell in the pot where my rice supposed to go in. So we're just gonna, okay, and we get them out. Okay. So just spread these around. Okay. So then you just basically put it in there, and then you put a lid on it, and then it's gonna boil. The water's gonna boil down here, and it's gonna steam. So that's what's gonna cook the broccoli. Like, I love my little basket. I think somebody told me about it, and I said I was gonna give it a try, so I decided to, and I love it. I never not use this. Once this one gets old, I will be buying me a new one. Okay, so the water's boiling for the rice, and I'm going to put like maybe like a cup of rice in there. Watch out the, like I said, I don't measure. I'm just cutting it in there, and I'm gonna just pour some in there. Okay. So I'm just gonna pour some in there. That should be enough. Didn't measure. I don't know how much I just poured in there. I just put some in there. But I'm gonna eat on this for a couple days. So I'm gonna eat it tonight for dinner, and then probably tomorrow night for dinner. So we're gonna stir that, because when you put the rice in there, if you don't rinse the starch off of it, they all stick at the bottom. I don't know why it just does that. So you want to give it like a little stir. See the, it's starting to steam already, the broccoli. And it really don't take that long for it to cook. Like, you can put broccoli, carrots, zucchini, squash. Like, you can even put like tomato, like when people steam their tomatoes to make like homemade tomato sauce or piece of sauce or whatever, you can steam your tomatoes in this thing. Like, just put some water at the bottom, put a lid on it, and just leave it. Like, that's it. So the rice is boiling, the chicken's done, the broccoli's steaming. Now I'm about to do the gravy for the chicken. Well, for the smothered part of the chicken. So I'm gonna take the grease and move it over. And I need another boiler. I'm gonna just basically I'm gonna pour the gravy mix in here and shake it up. So this is what it looks like. And you just pour it in here. Put the lid on it and shake it. I like doing it like this because it don't leave like all those lumps and stuff, because you stirring it, it's not really getting all of the powder mixed up. So I just put it in a shaker, a protein shaker, and I just shake the hell out of it. Okay, so it should look like that. It looks like chunky protein, like a chunky protein shake basically, because they got onions in it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, it smells good too. It do. It looks weird, but it smells real good. So we're gonna put the eye on low because this stuff like thickens real fast and you don't want to burn it. So pour this in there. No, it looks so nasty. Now if you want to, you can put like a little bit of seasoning in it. I mean, it's really just up to you, like what all you want to add in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more broth in mine. Okay. And I'm gonna have to eat and when you make this gravy, you have to constantly stir, because if you don't stir, one spot of the gravy will burn. So you have to constantly stir it. And as you can see it's bubbles already forming around the outside right there. So you just stir it. I could have made this from scratch, but I ain't got time for all that because like I said, I have to work tonight, so I need to get some sleep. So I'm just doing the easy way. Either way is good because this stuff is good too. I love this gravy. I use the brown gravy, the chicken gravy, the turkey gravy. They got all kind of different. It's McCormick. It's McCormick chicken gravy, but they also got other flavors. It's from Walmart. I think it was 50 cents or something like that. So just I'm gonna speed this up a little bit, and then I'll be back when it's all the way done because it takes a minute for it to thicken up. Steaming. Hear it? That's the steaming, and it don't take that long for this stuff to steam. It get done real fast, real fast. Oh, you can see the gravy's thickening. Look. Keep stirring. I probably put too much onions in here, but that's okay because I like onions. I like to dehydrate onions. Next time I make it, I'll make it from scratch, with the flour and the browning and adding the beef broth and, you know what I'm saying, homemade gravy. But right now I don't got time because I have to get my clothes ready for work and then go to work tonight till 7 o'clock in the morning. So, like, what have you guys been doing? What's been going on with y'all? Like, what's y'all plans for Thanksgiving? I'm gonna be at work. Cause you know Walmart never closes, so I'm gonna be at work on Thanksgiving. But that's okay, because I get that holiday pay. Hey. So I ain't complaining, because for those who don't know, I'm trying to buy a car. So I'm working as many hours as I can. Not too much, because I don't want to overwork myself and make myself sick. But working like extra hours, because I have 2 jobs, for those who didn't know. So I can save up to get me a nice car. And this will be my first car. I know I should have been had a car, all that. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. So, but that's okay. I should have one before my birthday. My birthday is like next year. I'm not gonna tell you what day, because I don't want y'all to figure out my age. So you can see the gravy's getting thick. You want to turn the heat down a little bit more. So yeah, it's thick. It's real thick now. So just keep stirring. Keep stirring. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Make sure you stir your rice, because it will stick. We'll go back to the gravy and keep stirring. It's a lot of stirring. Like, to make this, that's why I really don't make it that much. It's the first time I made this like in a long, long time too. So I'm gonna put some. My phone freaking turned off, but I'm gonna put like a little bit of parsley in it to make it look pretty. Parsley is really not like, you really can't taste it. It just basically makes stuff look nice. You don't want to put that much. So just stir it up. Keep stirring. It's so thick, and just keep stirring. Because I just added some more broth, so that's why it's a little bit soupy. So it's like, as long as you cook it and keep stirring it, it'll thicken up. I need to add some more water in my rice too. See, look, it looks pretty now. Yeah, parsley is more like a garnish to make stuff look nice. It don't really taste like nothing. Got done with the gravy. The gravy's done. Like, yes, ma'am. All you do is, my kitchen was a hot mess. Is take the chicken and basically put it in the gravy. And then you take it and, oh, this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do it this way. This is just how I do it. And just basically turn the chicken around in the gravy and like, honey, when I tell you that this is the bomb diggity, this is the bomb. Move the chicken aside. Coat it with that gravy. I'm not gonna eat right now because I just ate breakfast, so I'm gonna just put me up some for later, so when I get up I can just go ahead and eat. and head on to work. I may not eat it because when I eat, I don't know about nobody else, when I eat, when I get full, my ass gets sleepy and I get lazy. And I have a 8-hour shift to work tonight. So, this may be just, I want the phone off the stove, kind of hold my phone and record and mixes at the same time. Okay, so this part is done. Just waiting for my rice and my broccoli to get done. And then I'm going to plate it. And then, now you don't have to put onions in yours. I like onion personally. So, you can put like whatever you want to. You put bell pepper. You can put anything. Anything you want to eat in your gravy. You can put mushrooms, whatever. You can put it in there. And that is it, honey. That's what my chicken looks like. It's not as much onion in it. I was just like not paying attention. I was just like pouring. So that's what my chicken looks like. My broccoli is almost done. It's not done quite. That's what that looks like. My rice is overflowing. If your rice ever do this, all you do is blow on it. You see how I go back down? The bubbles like kind of settle a little bit. Just blow. And it won't like overflow or something like that. So once everything is completely done, I'm going to plate it and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like when I put it on the plate. Okay, I'm back. Everything is done. The chicken's done. The broccoli's done. The rice is done. So I'm finna get ready and plate it and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Yeah. Get you a plate. I'm only gonna eat 2 pieces because I don't want, like I said, I don't want to get too full. So I get the chicken. Get some broccoli. Sorry, I can't carry the camera and this plate at the same time. And the broccoli is like real soft. I think like it's soft, y'all. Look. Look how soft it is. Spoon cut right through it. Look. I'm trying to show y'all. See? Like, that's what the steam basket does. Like, that's why I love it so much. Okay. And then a little bit of that gravy. This is it. What it looks like when it's all done. It's usually more gravy, but I only made 1 package of gravy, so it's still all good. It's still about to be awesome. So I just want to show you what it looks like when I plate it. Like I said, I'm not gonna eat this right now. I'm gonna eat a little bit later because I just ate breakfast, so I'm still kind of full from that. But so this is what it looks like, you guys. Sorry, I was trying to get stuff out the way so I can get a shot of it. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe in that order. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.